I'm not jealous, bro. You know what? Watch her. She is Pubzam. She went to BTS concert. I'm not jealous. I'm not jealous. Oh, how lucky she is. I don't know what did she do in past life. Seriously. Damn. I need the whole stadium to jump. Pubzam. Damn. You made it. Damn. Jimmy Shay. Somebody ở Trung Quốc. Chen. Tay. Around. What to do? I need to book it now. Maybe London. Next generation.